Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Easily channel. This video is about grammar notes or grammar books for the beginners and even for the advanced learners. Here is the basic grammar part 1 and part 2 books. Raymond Murphy Grammar Book 3rd edition and Longman's Grammar Practice book for you. You are seeing on the screen Basic Grammar Part 1, Basic Grammar Part 2. Here Basic Grammar Part 1 and Part 2 for the beginners. See, I given the link in the description box. If you click on that link, you will get this screen. It is a folder screen. Here you can get all these PDFs to your phone. Let us see the first one, Basic Grammar Book Part 1. It is for the beginners. See here the Basic Grammar Part 1 starts with the index. Look at the index. What is grammar? Capital letter, how to use capital letters and parts of speech and how to use with many examples. Look at the topics and it is for beginners to learn English grammar. After opening this PDF, click on the download button on the above. You will download this to your phone. Next, Part 2, Basic Grammar Part 2 book. Here in Book 2 also, you will get the index like this: nouns, pronouns, parts of speech, everything. Here it is more helpful for the beginners to learn English grammar with the exercise is available in this PDF. Go through these books to learn English grammar. It's more helpful for you to learn English grammar. Then next, Raymond Murphy's Essential Grammar in Use. Here you can get this PDF also to your phone by clicking the link given in the description. Go to the description, click the link, then you will find this folder. Click on the Raymond Murphy's book, then download it to your phone. Here it is for advanced learners. It is very useful grammar books to learn English grammar. It gives explanation and exercises for you. If you take this printout and if you practice well, you can learn English grammar very easily and quickly also. Then lastly, Longman's Grammar Practice. See, look at this practice book. It is for pre-intermediate students. Means after the Grammar Book 1 and Book 2, download this Murphy's and Longman's Grammar Book for Learn English Grammar. ಇದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಕಲಿತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಬುಕ್ 1 ಇದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಬುಕ್ 2 ಇದೆ. ಮೊದಲು ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಬುಕ್ 1 ಅನ್ನು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆನಂತರ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಬುಕ್ 2 ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಓದಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಕಲಿತ ನಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಮಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮರ್ಫಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ PDFಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. I hope these PDFs are more useful to you to learn English grammar. And if you find this video is useful to you, do share this video to your friends and students. Let them learn English grammar. And thank you for watching this video.